Hello, this is Dave at TitleSearch.com. One of the most common questions about a title search is how long does it take to get a title search? Now, there's a couple variables. First is what type of title search is being done, but the most common type of search, which is an O&E or current owner or COS search, is typically about a 7 to 9 man-hour project. It's a matter of pulling about 50 or 60 documents, typically on a residential property, from 4 different courthouses in the county, the deed office, the civil court office, probate office, and the assessor's office, plus maybe some state records. Typically that's done over 1 to 3 business days, depending on what time the order comes in. If it's early enough in the day, the records rooms in most places, again, close at 4:30 or 5 o'clock. So if we have, let's say it comes in at 9 or 10 o'clock, we have our examiners in the courthouse. They search most of that day. They can probably do some of the research after hours, reviewing those documents, have to go back the next day maybe to do a little more search, retrievals to get some more records. If we can get copies of those documents in the first day, that makes it go faster. If we're pulling copies during the day, we can review them at night and then go back the next day to get some more. Obviously, if we're using multiple searches, that's also faster. It's an advantage for a larger company to do a search because we have more than one examiners or abstractors in the courthouse. But typically it's over 1 to 3 business days. There's a lot of ways we can do it faster if needed. Electronic records may be slightly faster, but they're not official, so they might not be accurate. So a lot of times it's better to go with the paper documents, and maybe if it takes an extra couple hours. Liens are the last things that are checked. So rushing it, if you rush a search, sometimes you cut short that lien process. So make sure that you're getting all the liens when you're doing a title search. Do you want to check taxes? Sometimes checking taxes adds an extra step, but if it's not important to know if the taxes are paid, you can take that out and it might save a little bit of time. At the end of that search process, there's about an hour or two of analysis, writing the report after the retrieval, and that gives you that certified title abstract. So a title search is about 7 to 9 man hours of work. It usually is done over 1, 2, sometimes 3 business days, a little longer if it's a complicated property like a foreclosure or a commercial property or something with complicated documents. Usually we have to pull about 50 or 60 documents to read through to see which ones are on that property and get it to you as fast as we can. In cases where there's an urgent need, like an insurance claim, a FEMA claim, SBA search, a foreclosure auction, we can put a rush on it, maybe put more than one searcher, 2 or 3 searchers on it, get it done faster, get it back to you in your deadline. If you need that, give us a call. Our website is TitleSearch.com, and we'd be glad to help.